Hello, my name is Hans Lindetorp and I'm really excited about music production and interactive media. I'm also very glad to be a part of this year's Web Audio conference. And today I want to present one of our latest studies. It's called Putting Web Audio API to the Test, Introducing WebAudioXML as a Pedagogical Platform. It's written by me and my co-author Kjetil Falkenberg. We are lecturers and researchers at the Royal College of Music and Royal Institute of Technology in Stockholm, Sweden. Amongst our students, we found a group that are really talented in music. They sing, they play, they compose, produce, and express themselves with songs that travels to the world through services like Spotify, YouTube, etc. But we've also learned that it's much harder for them to express themselves through interactive applications like computer games and virtual reality. So even if Web Audio API has done a great job making it possible for pretty much anyone with a computer or a smartphone to experience interactive audio content, it's still very hard for our students to express themselves. Basically, because they don't know JavaScript, and it's very hard for them to learn a programming language in order to express themselves through interactive applications with music. So, aiming at solving this problem, we have created WebAudioXML. That was introduced last year at the Sound and Music Computing Conference 2020. WebAudioXML is an XML syntax and a parser that makes it possible to describe and to create an web audio application by specifying the audio nodes and the connections and the mappings for various parameters using just standard XML syntax. And since the introduction, more than 40 student projects have successfully resulted in interactive sound and music web applications. We are writing about our findings in various different conferences. So except for this one, also the Sound and Music Computing Conferences last year and this year, and the International Conference for Auditory Display this summer. So now to this study. We wanted to test and evaluate WebAudioXML as a platform for learning. And in order to do so, we selected 21 student projects that were part of mandatory classes in their educations. We gave them 2 seminars and workshops and gave them 1 week to work on their projects, getting some supervision. So let's look at one of these projects.
Som om det vore en knapp. Ja, där då. Sänd. Det är... Och sen är det tredje... Den.
So the methods we were using to get the insights and the results from our study was first to analyze the source code from the students' projects. We gave them an online evaluation form, and we also analyzed the students' written reports and their recorded presentations of their projects. So what did we find? Well, the students actually managed to create multi-client, several different smartphones, and interactive web audio applications. And all the students passed almost without any technical assistance, which was good because that meant that the supervision could focus on artistic perspectives in their work. We also added a statistical report tool to WebAudioXML for this study that also made it really easy to assess the students' work. So if you find this technology interesting, don't hesitate to download it and use it, and contact us if you want to share your experiences with it. And with that, I want to say happy reading and a happy summer. Take care. Bye.